This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra. What happens when part payments reset the clock on limitation? Even years after a loan turns non-performing. Today, we break down a critical Delhi High Court judgment that reshapes how courts treat limitation periods under the Limitation Act. In 2010, Federal Bank Limited sanctioned a cash credit limit to Mr. B.M. Bajaj, a business proprietor. Over time, the account turned into a non-performing asset, and despite repeated defaults, the borrower continued with part payments. After several years passed, the bank filed a recovery suit in the commercial court in 2021, seeking more than Rs 10 lakh from the borrower's legal heir. But the trial court dismissed the suit as time-barred, holding that limitation ran from the date when the loan became due and payable in 2012, and that the bank had not proven continuation or renewal of the loan. The pivotal legal question before the Delhi High Court was this: when should the limitation period be reckoned? From the original loan expiry or from the last admitted part payment? Under Section 19 of the Limitation Act, if a debtor makes a part payment before limitation expires, a fresh limitation period begins from that payment date. The High Court agreed with the bank. It held that because multiple part payments were made within the original limitation period, the clock restarted with each such payment, meaning the suit was filed well within time. The court clarified that once part payments within limitation are admitted or established from the record, then Section 19 applies as a matter of law, and the limitation must be recomputed from the last such payment. This case is a reminder for litigators and bankers alike. Don't assume limitation runs only from original default. Recognize that valid part payments can reset the clock, potentially rescuing stale suits from dismissal. Federal Bank Limited versus B.M. Bajaj reinforces how limitation law interacts with real-world payments and why precise record keeping matters in recovery suits. This is IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.